We're beginning our journey in Sungai Lepoh. It's a one-day trip. Okay. This is the challenging part of the trail, which is going up. Even bikes can go in like this. Even bikes can go up. Okay, rest time.
Kalau duduk boleh lah.
You can see one. That is how they are collected. We meet another house, more of a like small hut. This is where they put all the fruits that they gather from these hills before they send it out to the market. Now it's not season, so it's pretty much abandoned at this time. A dried river. No more water there. Maybe in the rainy season, but now no.
It's empty since couple of days. Last couple of days.
It's exactly like a river. Yeah. It is a river, but no water. Just no water.
The best waterfall here.
Yeah. Okay. There's piping channel. That channels water. Go down there. Okay, this is one of the first checkpoints for us to rest before continuing. Okay, we're going to see if this vine contains any water that we can drink just in case of emergency, running out of water and survival situation. Let's try it.
It's too dry. I can feel it. I mean, just a couple of drops.
But you have to cut both ends before it can actually come down. See water there? Not much. Okay, but at least some. Country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, back to mama. Country road. That's what they call the crying hill. Why? If you want to climb this, you'll be crying because it doesn't look much, but it's steep. You can basically get faint from this. I'll try. This is an abandoned TNB or electric company building or hut, I suppose. It has not been in use for many years, I think, from the look of it. Then down there, the waterfall. You can hear the sound. It's very dear now.
Hitam. Keras.
Yeah, here now. Finally.
Lepas
And yes, we bring our trash bag. Save the planet. Okay guys, that's all our trip to air terjun Sungai Lepoh. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.